This is Dr.Senthil Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of EEE, SNS College of Technology. Now we are sailing in the unit number 2 of our subject Artificial Intelligence in Electrical Engineering. This is the introduction topic of artificial neural network. Before going to artificial neural network, let me see the basics biology neural networks. Biological neural networks. You mean a neural networks of a brain of a human being. Let me discuss about the biological neural network, and this analogy is then converted for the artificial neural network. Now let me see the biological neural network. Yes, okay. The neural network, what we are going to see here is what is neural network and what is artificial neural network. Before going to that, let me see the biological neural network. See here in the figure, which represents a neural network of a brain. Neural network of a brain. A neural network is nothing but a simplified version of biological neuron systems, which is a parallelly distributed processing system, consists of a very highly interconnected neuron elements. What is a brain? A brain is nothing but it consists of 10 to the power of 10 neurons. 10 to the power of 10 neurons. And each neuron is connected to 10 to the power of 4 other neurons. The structure of the neuron is shown here. It consists of dendrites, which is nothing but the input terminals, which is in the left. The axon, which is acting as an output terminal, and the cell nucleus, which is named as soma, S-O-M-A, which is nothing but a cell nucleus or a cell body. And the synapses is nothing but the axon terminals. Synapses is nothing but the axon terminals, where a neurotransmitter fluid generates, in the synapses, right? The neurons receives electrochemical signals from the body. And it transmits body through the dendrites, and it is given to the cell body, which is named as soma, and it transmits this electrochemical signal into electrical signal with the help of a neurotransmitter fluid, which is in the synapses. Therefore, the output terminal is the synapses and the input is the dendrites. The figures represents here is a one neuron, whereas a brain consists of 10 to the power of 10 neurons like this, which is highly interconnected. All the neurons are highly interconnected and a parallel distributed processing system. It will act as a parallel distributed processing system. You mean, suppose I am raising the hand here. The hand, since I have to raise the hand, a signal has to be passed to the brain, and my brain again discharges an electrical impulses such that please raise the hand. The same instant, right? I am also speaking. Since I am raising the hand, at the same instant I am also speaking to raise the hand. Therefore, again a parallel process, which is nothing but another signal from my brain. It gives to my mouth such that you please say this, right? Therefore, at present, while I am explaining this, my hand is varying and my mouth is also varying, and I also concentrating on what the content is. Therefore, 3 parallel process is doing at present, which is nothing but a biological neural network. You mean, which is a parallel distributed processing system. Parallel distributed processing system. This biological neural network is an analogy for the artificial neural network. Artificial neural network. See here. See here a simple idea of an artificial neural network which is derived from the biological neurons or the biological neural networks that develops the structure of a human brain. See here, again there are three, as per the simple neural network. See here, I am expanding it. There are three layers. One, the input layer is similar to the dendrites as per the neurons, and the output layer is similar to axon and the synapses. Whereas the hidden layer is nothing but the soma, which is a cell body. Hidden layer is nothing but a soma, which is a cell body, which creates electrical impulses and sends to the output layer. Whereas the input layer may be an electrochemical signal, whereas the electrical impulse is created in the synapses and given through the axon. You mean the output layer. Right. So far that we came to know about what is the structure of the brain and how this biological neural network has expanded as artificial neural network for our subject AI in electrical engineering. In the next video series, let me discuss in detail about the structure of artificial network. Thank you for patient listening. Thank you.